So it's not always easy to be optimistic, and I don't recommend anybody walks around in La La Land, but there's some things we can do to be much more optimistic, especially on a daily basis. And some things to do is this. So focus on what you're grateful for. Wake up and just have a spirit of just thankfulness. Think of things you're thankful for no matter what's going on, and that's going to help you start your day. Another thing is focus on your why. Maybe it was a great testimony that you had last week, the day before, the month before, of somebody that was just really struggling, had a lot of health issues, and they got well. You focus on somebody else, you take it off yourself, you stop being having that selfish attitude and start being selfless, and just remember to go out there and serve, and that's going to help you be optimistic. The last thing I can say is that if there's something negative coming into your mind, many times I would say do not speak it. If you're in a group of people, especially with your team, it does not help to say it. So if it's not contributing to the greater cause of your office, if it's not productive, don't speak it.